The log trend page provides insight into the status of your collected logs. The total number of logs collected in the last minute is 116. The number of logs collected in the selected file in the past minute is 21. The number of logs with runtime exception in the past minute is 24. Click the Event Settings page. Click the Log tab. Create real-time notifications. In this video, we'll set up to receive a notification when a runtime exception is thrown. Enter a subject and a message. Enable the detection of runtime exception with the exception keyword in the logs collected under the app log category. Skip time sets the minimum amount of time you want to receive the same notification repeatedly. Specify notification settings. Create a composite metric alert. Let's set up a notification to be sent when 10 or more logs are collected in the last minute from a specific file. In the app log category, set to check if logs collected to a specific file with file name occur more than 10 times in the last minute. Skip time sets the minimum amount of time you want to receive the same notification over and over again. Specify notification settings. On the Event History page, you can see the history of real-time log alerts and composite metric alerts that have been raised.